Alright, boys and gents and girls and I don't know, diamonds. Um, we have to get the Crown of Death because my girlfriend, the big turd that she is, managed to get it and loop twice in the last daily. The last daily, nobody got to see, but I died to the second throne as the rogue, I believe it is. And I'm a little offended. I'm a little bit offended that she's just like, oh yeah, I just looped twice like a freaking maniac with all these golden scorpions and crap. I was just on a roll, man. And I was like, you're joking me. And if you want to check that out, go to Bum Dreamer. Do 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 do. Oh god. Oh, that hurt. Oh. Well, hello there. Get off my face, dude. I missed. Shovel. Dang. Another wrench. I'll stick with the shovel. Choices. Ow. See, this is why I always fail. I just suck. Ooh, that scared me. I did that on purpose. I want to be low health. Like, as soon as the thing swaps, I want to be at 2 HP. Because I want to get the big health chest if I can. Love me, go on, say you love me. Take your hands in yours and tell me that I'll always be the one. Without you, my life means nothing. So just say you love me tonight. Don't mind me. I'm listening to Smoke and Mirrors from Lolia. She has such an incredible voice. She was always my favorite cover artist on YouTube. Nowadays, she doesn't do much that I'm interested in. I still like look, but I think Smoke and Mirrors, the original one she did, is probably her magnum opus. Honestly, it's so good. Do you really think I'm taking this too far? All you have to do is swear that you'll be true, and I will let her go right now. Just oh, I got it. Okay, sick. Trigger fingers. Like that. Be behind your smoke and mirrors. Okay. I see the assassin behind me. There are so many things to avoid here. I really put myself in a trance here. Put no one else above me. Please just say you love me. Take your hand in yours and tell me that I'll always be the one. Without you, my life means nothing. So just say you love me tonight. I had the verse wrong. That's why I went all weak there. Got him. Got him. I hate to play these games, but you're driving me insane. Won't you tell me that you'll stay now that she's not in the way? Bang. Stick with the assault slugger. This is why we use the shovel, boys. Even though it's put me in a couple of bad positions, especially back at the dog. Dang. Where'd you go, Ledger? Sick. Hooray for shotgun shoulders. God, those options suck. Did you guys see those options? I mean, I know a lot of people like Hammerhead, and that's fair. Euphoria's decent, I guess. I guess they were decent, but they're not my type of options. You know, anything could be useful in a way on here. And I'm sure some people would be like, oh, Hammerhead's the best, and I'd be like, oh, that's fair. That's fair. It's about preference, I guess. Ouch. Speaking of options, go back muscle. Hello. Think you got enough green goblins right out the gate? No. Cool, cool. Maybe I can find... No, because I got a rad canister, which means I probably don't have the health box. That's unfortunate. Ooh. Do I want the Gatling Slugger? I think the Assault Slugger's better, because I have trigger fingers and the like with shotgun shoulders and trigger fingers. I think the Assault Slugger's better right now. It'd be nice if I had stress too, to top it off. But we'll see. I know you ran up here, you little shit. Where are you? He's not up here. I wasted my time. Wee. Now I would take Rhino Skin there, but I think Gamma Guts could go. Because I have Scarier Face. And the stress was on there, I didn't see it, so I probably should have paid more attention. I saw Lucky Shot. I don't know what the other one was. The last enemy. Oh, there he is. badly injured now. The eraser's cool. I'll stick with the assault slugger. No health box, huh? Well, boys, I think it's GG. Without stress and without health boxes. Oh, man. Lady Luck came and found me. Thanks for making the magic you do. Thanks to you, sweet Petunia. Wishnick's taking Junior. And someday when I own this whole shop, I'll remember I owe it to you. Ah. Beg your pardon. Tui, you talked! You opened up your trap, your thing, you said... I freaking love Little Shop of Horrors. Rhino skin, let's go. No stress for me, that's alright. I would definitely prefer to have stress. But that's alright, it's all good. Must be blood. Must be fresh. Feed me! Don't mind me. I freaking love Little Shop of Horrors. I'm listening to the Broadway version. Where he has a deeper voice. As opposed to the movie version where he's like, feed me! Oh, there's the black sword. The shovel might be more worth it, honestly. We'll see. That hurt. Cadillac car, or the jackpot on jackpot. Have a better date with Henny Lamar, you're gonna get it. How'd you like to be a big wheel, dining out for every meal? I'm the plain food to make it all real, you're gonna get it. Hey, I'm your genie, I'm your friend, I'm your willing slave. Take a chance, just feed me, and you know the kind of the red hot treats, the kind of sticky liquor sweets I crave. Come on, Seymour, don't be a putz. Trust me and your life will rival King Tut's. Show a little initiative, work up some guts, and you'll get it. Jesus. Oh, shit. Die. Thank you. Should I go and perform mutilations? Took a room at the Vex, wrapped in velvet, covered in glitz. A little Nicky gonna clean up those zits, and you'll get it. If you really gotta justify, take a breath and look around. A lot of folks deserve to die. Do I want the hyper launcher? Oh, I wish I had boiling veins. I really do. Get out of here, rocket launching bullshit. The guy sure looks like plant food to me. The guy sure looks like plant food to me. The guy sure looks like plant food to me. Ma'am. That ma'am. So go get it. Doo doo doo. Doo doo doo. It's a sin with no name, like a tiger to tame, and my senses proclaim it's a dangerous game. Oh, you're kidding. Oh, you're kidding. Come on. Yes. I can't believe that happened. Get out of here. Take that. I gave you my whole life. Fuck off. Oh, you're kidding me. Oh boy. Sick. Definitely playing a dangerous game here. See you. The reason that's fine is because I might get the health box now. Coming at me like that. Screw you. An ultra crossbow. It's a choice. Would it be safer than the ultra grenade launcher? Sure. Am I gonna take it? Ultra shotgun. Again, it would be safer, but not gonna take it. Ah, you hit me. Screw you. Ah! There's a health box. 7 HP. It's not bad. Could be better. My concern is this piece of shit. But I killed him very, very easily. And that's why I keep the grenade launcher. This is what I brought, you may forget me. I promised to hard, I promised to sing. Kiss my eyes and lay me to sleep. Get out of here. I didn't mean to chuck that. My hand's a little sweaty, I got butterfingers. Was funny though. I just freaking shot a grenade and then chucked it. Like, I don't need this anymore. Where's the wolfie boy? Bye-bye. Heyo. 6-1, loop 1. Jesus. Alright, where's the... Ah, he's right here. Please. Yes. Hey, that hurt. That's not fair. What the hell, man? Yeah, I see it. Hey. Fuck you. Hey, Miss Murder, can I? Hey, Miss Murder, can I make duty stay if I take my life? Go! I will go, game. I will. Hate the sword guys. The sword guys are worse than the shielders here because they... Frickin' grenade goes right through them. Luckily, I was able to dodge that. You're kidding. Fuck you. Oh, come on with this. Thank you. Goddamn sniper. Catling bazooka. Like I want that. I would gladly bet my life upon it. Oh, come on with this. Make beauty stay if I take my life. Stupid freaking mimic. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Bang, 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 bang. Easy win. Okay, got the crown of death. I panicked, I won't lie. Easy win. Oh boy. Let's do this. Yep, let's do this. Whoa, that scared me. The worst thing are the snipers, that's for sure. Ah! Ah! Ah, fuck you. Aha. Yes, okay. Oh boy, I have 3 HP. That's useful. Oh, it blew it up. Well, so much for my plan. My plan was to get the Crown of Love and then go to the captain. But my one explosion blew up the whole thing, which makes sense. It makes sense, but I was hoping that wouldn't happen. Why is there more police showing up, man? What the hell? Also, I'm calling bullshit on what just happened there. I only have 1 HP. I'm worse than melting right now. If I get hit even once, it's over. Now I have 2 HP, so now I am just melting. I'm melting. Heavy auto crossbow would be one hell of a weapon if I had Whoa, guys! Maybe don't all show up in the same spot. What the heck? Okay, okay. All good. Oh, we're all good. Everything's good. Great. Yep, it's over. just keep blowing things up. It'll keep me alive for longer. What? How did that work? I can't believe what I've just seen. I can't believe it. I genuinely cannot believe what I just did. I guess I picked the right mutation after all, huh? I didn't mean to do that. Hey, stop that. I need my sword. I hope it got sucked in. Wow. I got... My god. Oh yeah, just line them up. That makes it so much easier, honestly. Makes them so much easier to deal with than when they're out somewhere where I can't find them and they're all shooting at me from every direction. Hey. No. Come on. I can't believe this. I didn't earn this. I did not earn this. Oh no, not this again. Oh, I blew up the crap. That's okay, it's not making it anyway. One hell of a round that was, that's for sure. Wow. I can't believe it. I can't believe I even survived that long. Thanks for joining me.